Give that to Mom. Oh man, we have to play bingo.
Daddy's secret away.
Short weekend.
What is it? Playing piano?
What'd you get? What's the
Is it a bottle? What is that? Oh, you got a bottle. Oh, you what?
Want the candle set? I think we can mash it in the drawer under the microwave.
And I want everybody to be thinking about this before she opens her gift. I want everybody to think of a word of wisdom, those of us with children, that we want to, one word of wisdom we want to impart on Regina concerning her baby, or babies in general. Right, who's that from?
You're not moving fast, Mama.
This is from Sherry.
That's fresh.
Well, Mama, you want to pass them around, or you want to just put them on the table? Let everybody.
It don't matter.
Either one.
Pass them around. I like better.
Okay. When they get over there, just easily she put it on the table.
Okay, you go ahead and open it then. Let me see the card.
Yeah, and put the
Keep the card.
Okay. This is from Don. So she'll be working on that one for a while.
That's all right.
Thank you. Give it to her.
The spell.
Christine, Pam. Look.
Birdie.
Oh, I got you some. Yes, I did. Does it fit? I think it's just right. See if the shirt fits. Oh, it's so cute. Tell Miss Renee thank you. Miss Renee, here she is over here. Go give her a hug and tell her thank you.
You're welcome. If it's too little, your mama can take it back and get a bigger one. Yeah, that's yours.
Mine. Get it back in the line. Good. So we're going. Get dirty.
Oh, I can give it a piece though. Yeah, this thing's still in that spot.
Well, many days since I bought some, so I hope they're the right fit.
Wait a minute, let me read. It says congratulations to every from Marcia and Betty. Oh. From Marcia and Betty.
Where's my bag?
I know.
There was a card. Oh, here it is. This is good.
Oh, no. Hand scratcher. Wait a minute now. Let's see who it's from, okay? It says, this is from Miss Renee. I'll be better with